in the hospital, and then she decided to climb the highest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest.
Okay, she decided to climb Mount Everest. Okay. So now today we'll start with beta page number 134. No sooner. So Khushi will read for us. Yes, Khushi. Just give me 1 minute, Khushi. Just give me 1 minute. Yes.
No sooner was she discharged from the hospital than she went to meet Bachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the only person besides her immediate family that showed faith in her tenacity and mission, but Bachendri Par advice to her was pragmatic as well. She said, Arunima, you made such a huge decision, even in the condition you are in. Know that you have already conquered your inner Everest. Now you need to climb the mountain only to show the world what you are made of.
So I'm going to explain this. Three paragraphs will be read by offline students and rest of the paragraphs will be read by online. Okay. So I'm going to explain it now. No sooner was she discharged from the hospital than she went to meet Bachendri Pal. Do you know who was Bachendri Pal? Who is Bachendri Pal? Yes, Himalaya. First woman who climbed Mount Everest. So she directly went to Bachendri Pal for to get some advice. So she was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the only person besides her immediate family, besides her parents and brother sister. She was the only one who believed in Arunima Sinha. Okay, she said that yes, you can climb Mount Everest. Okay, it's in your hand. She showed faith in her tenacity. Tenacity means it's beta meaning is written there. Quality of being very determined. So she has faith in her determination. Okay, Bachendri Pal said that I believe you and I know that with your determination you will climb Mount Everest one day. Okay. So next is, but Bachendri Pal's advice to her was that pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical advice. Sometimes, we just, with our mind and with our mental strength, we say that I can fly aeroplane, I can do this thing, that thing, but that is not pragmatic. Pragmatic means practically which is possible. Okay. So she said that I will give you one advice which is practical. She said that Arunima, you made such a huge decision, even in the condition you are in. So she said that it's not easy task. You have to work hard for this. Secondly, know that you have already conquered. Conquered means won, to win something. Okay? So she said that you have already won your inner Everest. So one Everest is beta physical Mount Everest, and one Everest is there in her mind also. ठीक है तो शी सेड दैट अरुणिमा यू हैव ऑलरेडी वन योर एवरेस्ट इनसाइड ठीक है अंदर वाला एवरेस्ट आपने अपने डिसीजन से ही आपने क्या किया उसको विन कर लिया है बट नाउ जस्ट यू हैव टू फिनिश योर टास्क दैट इज फिजिकल माउंट एवरेस्ट यू हैव टू क्लाइम दैट नाउ ओके ओके नेक्स्ट वन राजार्यन नेक्स्ट बेटा लिटिल पैराग्राफ यू हैव टू रीड शी साइंड अप से लेके माउंट एवरेस्ट दिस मच
She signed up for training under Bachendra Pal at the Uttarkashi camp. Uttarkashi camp of the Tata Steel Adventure Founder TSAF. On 2012, she joined the Nehru Institute of Mountaineer Uttarkashi and excelled in the basic mountaineering. Of course, she was constantly encouraged by her elder brother Om Prakash to climb Mount Everest.
So beta she signed up. Signed up means when you add a name to the list. So she get her name added in the list where at the Uttarkashi camp of the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. So it's a foundation, beta. It's a kind of NGO which helps the people to just climb to get their goal, okay? To complete their goal. So short form is TSAF, okay? In 2012, she added her name in the list, okay? Then she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Then she joined one institute also for training. Then Uttarkashi and excelled. Excelled means succeeded, to get success. Okay? So she excelled in the basic mountaineering course. So पहले उसने क्या किया? She did one basic course कि how to climb the mountain. Okay? Then she was constantly encouraged. Constantly means continuously. Okay? So she was continuously encouraged by her elder brother. What was the name of the elder brother? Om Prakash, to climb Mount Everest. So जो उसके brother थे, he continuously encouraged her to climb Mount Everest. Next, Samriddhi, please come. अरुणिमा first से लेके यहाँ तक.
Arunima first climbed Island Peak 6,150 meters above sea level in 2012. It was a preparatory step for her ascent of Mount Everest. Soon after that, she began her unbelievable climb up the world's highest mountain with the prosthetic leg. Arunima started her climb of Mount Everest with Sushan Mahot, a USAF instructor. She became the first female amputee to scale Mount Everest on the 21st of May 2013. It took her 52 days to reach the summit.
So Arunima first climbed Island Peak. So this is the normal peak. इसकी height कितनी है? 6,150 meters above sea level. It was the preparatory step. Preparatory means the first step you can say, or the starting step. So starting उसने कहाँ से की? I will ask you this question. She started from Island Peak. Okay, Island Peak. What is the height? 6,150 meter. Okay. Then soon after that, she began her unbelievable climb up the world's highest mountain with a prosthetic leg. Then secondly, she started now Mount Everest. She started climbing Mount Everest. Arunima started her climb of Mount Everest with Susan Mahot. Susan is the beta, maybe her instructor, जो उसको सिखा रही थी. From USAF. USAF, anyone can tell me the full form of USAF? If you don't know full form, then you can simply tell me what is USAF. Sorry, repeat your answer. Okay, a type of army. Okay. So yes, Gaurish, do you know? Devang, do you know?
Ma'am, type of army.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Gaurish. USAF.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is also a type of army force, like
Air Force.
another batch, like Air Force.
Air Force. United States Air Force. Okay? United States Air Force. From there, one instructor came. What was the name of the instructor? Suzanne. Okay, Suzanne Mahot. And she helped her to scale Mount Everest. So, मैं आपसे date पूछूंगी बेटा. When she climbed Mount Everest on 21st May 2013. And how many days it took? 52 days. Okay. So till here, now I'm going to ask you question. You can close your books. Online students also close your books, and I will ask question to the student जिसकी video beta on है. Otherwise, I won't ask. Harmeet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, after getting discharged from hospital, to whom she went first?
Ma'am, Bachendri Pal.
Bachendri Pal, okay. Arshia, who's Bachendri Pal?
Bachendri Pal is the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest.
She is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Savya. Savya, unmute.
Yes.
So my question is, which camp she joined beta initially? In the beginning, which camp she joined?
Ma'am, Uttarkashi camp of Tata Steel Adventures.
Uttarkashi camp. Okay, from here now, please raise your hand, offline students. Um, do you know the first peak that she climbed? The name of the first peak? Island Peak. So I won't ask you the height because this is English, not geography. So uski height kitni thi? 6,150 meters. Okay, at the second place. Now, secondly, she climbed which peak? Mount Everest. Okay. Third question, who helped her? Name the instructor. जिसने उसकी help की थी. She advised her. Physically उसकी help किसने की थी? Yes, Susan Mahod. Yes, correct. And my next question is, yes, Sumridhi. How many days it took beta to reach my 52 days? Yes. So now you have to beta complete question number 4 and 5 also given in the back exercise. What advice did Bachendri Pal give Arunima? What was the advice? So again, Harman raised hand. Yes, beta. Okay. So you can open the page beta where it is written. From here, yes, Adgun, your answer.
Ma'am, Bachendri Pal gave advice to Arunima that she should climb Mount Everest, but she said that Arunima had made a decision even in the position she is in.
Okay, open your yes, beta. Open your page 134.
On page
Page
number
134.
134.
Yes. So here is the advice of Bachendri Pal in quotation marks, like we did in narration. You made such a huge decision. Okay, in place of you have to write Arunima. Bachendri Pal advised Arunima that she had made such a huge decision. Now she needed to climb the mountains to show the world what she was made of. You have to change it into past tense, beta. I'm going to repeat it. Bachendri Pal advised ADVISED. Bachendri Pal advised Arunima that she had made a huge decision. She had already conquered her inner Everest, but she needed to climb the mountain only to show the world what she was made of. Is a mar should be changed into was were. Harman, have you marked? What are you thinking, beta? Have you made the changes? मैंने अभी changes बोलनी है थोड़ी सी. Okay, cut the word made and write down had made. One by one, now I'm going to speak and I will speak just once, beta. Cut the word made, and write down had made. Where's your pencil? Pencil. Again, you are not making changes. So make sure आपकी कोई tense mistake नहीं होनी चाहिए, because now I'm just telling you how to make changes in the tense. So made, had made, then you have already likha, she had already conquered. Your inner Everest, her inner Everest. in place of your, write down her. You need लिखा हुआ है, she needed, second form. She needed to climb the mountains to show the world what she was made of. Amarjot Kaur, beta, you are raising your hand. Amarjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो आप बीच में क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो मैम उसके लिए हैंड रेज किया था.
Okay, beta. Savya, you are raising your hand. Devang.
Ma'am, for
Ma'am, I raised. Ma'am, for reading.
For reading. Okay, beta, start the next paragraph, please. Yes, start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, इधर से अरुणिमा started है.
Yes.
Ma'am, इधर से.
Devang or Savya?
Devang. I think Savya is
Arunima.
speaking. Beta, first Devang. Yes, Devang.
Arunima's next goal was to climb all the world's highest peaks and hoist the national flag of India. She did it. She climbed 6 peaks: Everest in Asia, Kilimanjaro in Africa, Elbrus in Europe, Kosciuszko in Australia,
Aconcagua.
Aconcagua in Argentina, and Carsten's pyramid in brackets Puncak Jaya in Indonesia. Ma'am.
Okay, beta, these are the just peaks. After that, beta, she climbed. After Mount Everest, she just climbed 6 peaks more, beta. Everest in Asia, that you know, Mount Everest. Second is Kilimanjaro in Africa. Third is Elbrus in Europe. Next is Kosciuszko in Australia. Then Aconcagua in Argentina. Carsten's pyramid in Indonesia. So 6 peaks then she climbed, okay? Not only Mount Everest, 6 more peaks also. Okay, the next one is, yes, Savya, you were reading now. I think you raised
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट कर दिया.
चलो आप ही पढ़ लो फिर. Yes.
Ma'am, Arunima Sinha is now dedicated towards social welfare. She is willing to open a free sports academy for the poor and differently abled people. She donates all the financial aid she received through the awards and seminars for the same cause. She would name the academy Shahid Chandra Shekhar Vakalang Khel Academy. She was authored a book titled Born Again on the Mountain, which was launched in December 2014. She was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India, in 2015. In the very same year, she received the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award, the highest national recognition for outstanding achievements in the field of adventure on land, sea, and air, and it is at the par with the Arjuna Award.
Okay, beta. Now, next is she now dedicated towards social welfare. Who will tell me the meaning of social welfare? Social welfare. Anyone? Yes, Harman? Yes, correct. Gaurish, yes, what is your meaning of social welfare? Adgun, you can tell me social welfare. Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, social welfare means to help someone for participating in NGOs.
Okay. So many NGOs are there for social welfare. Social welfare means happiness of society. Okay? So to spread happiness in the society or the well-being of society. So Arunima Sinha now decided that she would dedicate her life for the social welfare. She is willing to open a free sports academy for poor and differently abled. Differently abled people are those people who are maybe handicapped, they are not having their limbs or one leg, one arm. Okay? For those, she decided to open one academy. Next is she donates all the financial aid she received through awards and seminars for the same cause. और जितने भी बेटा उसको पैसे मिले ना, the reward she got, she donated all her money. ठीक है, for this cause. She would name the academy Shaheed Chandra Shekhar Viklang Khel Academy. And the name of the academy is this. ठीक है, I'll ask you this question. Now she has authored a book also. Authored means she has written one book also. What is the name of the book? Born Again on the Mountains. Okay, which was launched in December 2014. Then these are the awards which have been given to her. First one is Padma Shri. Second is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. And then, okay, this much. And then Arjuna Award. Yes, Arjuna Award. So recognition word is written here. Appreciation. So many appreciation appreciation awards were also given to her. And then okay, that's it. So this is the end of the chapter. Now you have to tell me answer number 4 and 5, B part. What advice did Bachendri Pal give Arunima? We have already discussed it. Fifth question. What message does the story convey? First offline, then online. Yes, raise your hands if you know the answer. Himalaya. What lesson you have learned from the story? You should work hard to achieve your dreams. Okay, well done. Yes, Herman.
In the story, we learned that, like Arunima Sinha was with a prominent leg, she
Prosthetic.
leg. After that, she climbed Mount Everest and other higher six peaks. Because of her determination, we learned that we should be determined to do anything.
Okay. No matter which tragedy surrounds us, we need to be determined to achieve our goals. Okay. Yes, Rajaran. Yes, Peter. Better repeat your answer. And I'm not able to hear you. You can come here, better, and tell me your answer. After that, Savya will tell me, then Adgun. Yes, better. Well done. Okay. Yes, Savya, your answer.
Yes, ma'am. The lesson of to the story is if we have will to do that work, we can definitely do that, whether there is injuries or any other thing.
Fine. Next is Arshia. Arshia, your answer, beta.
Yes, from this chapter, I learned that we should never give up. One should never doubt themselves, and we should be mentally as well as physically strong for every situation.
Okay, well done. So, beta, open your first page of the chapter. There, the what lesson we have learned is given. Sometime difficult and undesirable. Wait, beta. So we have learned that in difficult situation, having a sense of hope and setting new dreams can help in steering a person towards the right direction. Sometimes difficult situation. Okay, I'm going to repeat it. In difficult times, please note down, in difficult times, having a sense of hope and setting, this line, second line better. In difficult times, let me underline it this way. Second line, having a sense of hope and setting new dreams can help in steering a person towards the right direction. इससे पहले आप थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स ऐड कर देना, in difficult time, okay? In difficult time and undesirable circumstances. ये optional है अगर आप ऐड करना चाहो तो. So in difficult times, having a sense of hope and setting new dreams can help in steering a person towards the right direction. So we have learned this thing from the story. Now I'm moving to blanks. Please open your blanks, beta. You have to complete 4 to 7. I'm giving you 1 minute to do so. And your time starts now. Four to 7. You can raise your hands as soon as you finish. Jasmeet, please unmute yourself and tell me the fourth answer, beta.
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट.
Yes, beta, you can ask.
मैम जो आपने चेंजेस करवाए थे आप एक बार दोबारा कर बता दो.
Question number 4, beta.
यस मैम.
Question number 4. Okay, I'll write it. First, you can tell me fourth blank, beta. After this, I'll write it. Jasmine. Yes, Jasmine.
मैम फोर्थ का आंसर क्या है?
Same question, beta, as Jasmeet asked. Okay, I'll tell you. You can tell me fourth blank if you know. Have you done, all of you? So nobody is just telling me fourth blank from online. What happened? Gorish.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, fourth blank.
Ma'am, fourth, she scaled. मैम मैंने फिफ्थ सिक्स एंड सेवन ढूंढ लिया मैम. फोर्थ मैम ढूंढा नहीं मैंने.
Scaled means climbed. She climbed dash success.
माउंट एवरेस्ट. मैम माउंट एवरेस्ट.
Yes, Mount Everest.
मैं अब अपने आंसर में मुझे श्योर नहीं था मैम.
Okay, okay. So scaled means climbed. She climbed Mount Everest successfully. Fourth answer is Mount Everest. Fifth answer, she wants to open a free sports academy for dash and dash. Himalaya. She wants to open free sports academy for dash and dash people. You haven't heard in the chapter when I was explaining. You must remember them. That means you were not attentive in the class. Why all the hands are raised except you? Yes, Kushi. Yes, poor and differently abled people. Poor and... Okay, don't use the word disabled because this is the derogatory word, beta. हमें कहा जाता है कि disabled word use नहीं करना. They are differently abled. They have different needs. Disable होते हैं वो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. ठीक है? They can do. They are differently abled, but in a different style they can do. So don't ever use this word disabled for handicapped or some people. Disabled का मतलब होता है can't do anything. So that is not the correct word. Okay. So next is number 6. The name of the book, beta. Samriddhi. Then from here I'll ask. Samriddhi, speak slowly so that I can ask the student also. Yes, correct. Harmeet, you can repeat the answer. Number 5.
The name of the book she launched in December 2014 is Born Again on the Mountain.
Born Again on the Mountains. Yes, correct answer. Now from here, beta, 6th answer. Offline students. She received 2 popular awards, dash and dash. Yes, Kushi. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Same year पूछा I think उन्होंने. In the same year, beta, Arjun Award was not given in the same year. Same year. Sarang. Okay, I'll ask them. Harman, speak slowly. Yes, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am. She was awarded with Padma Shri and the Tenzing Norgay National Award.
Yes. Tenzing Norgay second blank पे आएगा और first पे Padma Shri. Yes. Well done. So we have done now blanks, short question answers. Question number 4 I will repeat. And now please think about think and answer. I am giving you 2 minutes for that. अपना एक एक idea सब देंगे, ठीक है? तब तक I am just going to make changes in the fourth answer. तो बेटा मैं verbally बता रही हूँ. In place of you can write she. Here she, Jasmeet and Jasleen. 6th है Jasleen. So she was made of. Now think and answer. Our question is, do you agree that goal Arunima had set for herself allowed her to push herself beyond the limits? Yes, Harman. Do you agree?
The goal Arunima Sinha set for herself pushed her beyond the limits of her body because her left leg passed away in a train accident and doctors exchanged that like the prosthetic leg. A common person would be engaged with the prosthetic leg in 2 or 4 months, but the Arunima Sinha, she started walking in 2 days.
Well done.
This was beyond her body limit, and after that, she decided to climb the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, with a prosthetic leg. This was an unbelievable task.
Well done. Yes, correct answer. So please write down in place of do you know? Yes, I agree. In the question, write down yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. Then underline the sentence that the goal Arunima had set for herself allowed her to push. ये सारी line बेटा.